Do you start your day with a vibrant, healthy smoothie? Many of us do. We believe we are fueling our bodies perfectly. But what if this daily ritual is secretly working against you? It might be doing more harm than good. Stick around to uncover why. Functional juices and smoothies promise amazing benefits. We create them for energy boosts, better digestion, and robust immunity, right? We're all seeking that perfect blend. But a common mistake could be undermining all your efforts. You'll be surprised by what we reveal next. Here's the challenge. We pour in our favorite fruits and greens. We blend them up, feeling incredibly virtuous. Yet, for many, that healthy smoothie is silently sabotaging their goals. Why does this happen? The truth is, most people miss this one critical factor. We often overload on fruit sugars. This can lead to blood sugar spikes, or we neglect essential components. Our bodies then don't properly absorb key nutrients. Have you ever considered the real impact of your ingredients beyond just their health halo? We assume more is better. But with smoothies, that is rarely the case. We think we're getting a complete meal. Instead, it might be an unbalanced sugar bomb. In a moment, we'll pinpoint exactly what you might be getting wrong. It is not just what you put in your blender, it's also how you combine your ingredients. Many superfood smoothies lack balance. They can be high in simple carbohydrates. Think bananas, dates, and lots of fruit. While these provide energy, they often miss crucial protein and healthy fats. Without these, your body processes the sugars too quickly. This leads to a rapid energy rush, followed by an inevitable crash. Did you know a simple switch can multiply benefits by 10? For example, blending too much fiber can strip it of some benefits. Or, not enough fiber can leave you hungry fast. Are you adding this crucial element for proper absorption? Soon, you'll discover the simple tweak that changes everything. Here's the shocking truth about your daily smoothie habit. Your healthy smoothie could be spiking your blood sugar faster than a candy bar if it lacks proper balancing elements. The real secret? It's not just about adding superfoods. It's about creating specific ratios. Your smoothie needs a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Adding a scoop of plant-based protein, some chia seeds, or avocado transforms it. These additions slow sugar absorption. They keep you feeling full and energized. This prevents those dreaded crashes. This simple change turns a potential sugar bomb into a truly functional fuel. Ready to unlock the true power of your ingredients? This ensures genuine energy, optimal digestion, and stronger immunity. Now, let's make sure you never make this mistake again. So remember this, a truly functional smoothie is about balance. Focus on protein, healthy fats, and smart complex carbs. This simple awareness transforms your daily blend. What's your favorite functional ingredient now? Share your thoughts below. Hit subscribe for more health revelations. Your journey to better health starts today.